Everybody, so I am just learning my first web development and I am just practicing my first web page and I just got some of the practice which I would build is the basic structure of a page, and in this web page I would use these practice things like headings, paragraph, line break and horizontal line or HTML tag. And my page idea is to build my first web page, so I named this with the my first web page .html. And now in this I would going with my first practice of the web page. So first I have to type doctype, and after that I have to add HTML tag. And in the HTML tag, the next tag is head, which is necessary for this, and within head I have to add the title, and title is my first web page. Okay. Yeah, interesting thing, my first web page. Okay. And after giving the title I would go with some here is the content which is like to give a page title which I gave here my first web page, and then some two or three headings. So I would give three headings, and which heading one, and also have to use the break. So I would give this break. After break, one line would be skipped, and then H2, and after that some break, and after that H3, and some break after H3, two breaks just because. Okay, I would give this later. So my first heading will be my first HTML web page. Okay. So okay, my first HTML, and after this I have to write a paragraph which is that this is my first web page practice actually, and I will try these things daily. These things daily. Okay. And in the heading 2, my okay, I would give my name is Abdul Basit. Okay, mashallah, one of the beautiful name. And after break some paragraph, I am currently, sorry, spelling can be correct, currently pursuing BScs at CY at campus actually. And the third heading will be Abdul Basit. कैसे लगता है?
Pinuno na pencil lato.
Okay.
Ay, ये हाथ से पड़ता है.
Hi Akla.
أنا اشتاق changi.
Hello.
Pencil no.
Hi the Pilsen. Not the Noklu. So hey, what's up? Actually, my father just came and he was asking for a pencil. Okay, next is Abdul Basit is a web developer. Okay, so here I will write some paragraph which is okay, so I'll just miss this paragraph. Okay, in paragraph I am also going to I am also going to be a web developer soon. Inshallah. Inshallah. As a Muslim, I have to say this just because it's a very, very, very powerful thing to say. Inshallah. Okay, so I just done these three requirements, and now I have to run my first web page. I'm very excited for this actually. Okay, so I have to minimize this, and yeah, and run without debugging. Okay, with the on the edge, and this is my very first and web page which I developed myself. Okay, so first let's see our code actually, and after that I have to show you guys what I did in this. Okay, so first was the doc type HTML, and first was the title, which is my first web page, which I actually give here and showing here. And after that, first heading H1, which is okay, sorry, it's actually heading my first HTML web page, and the title would go here. Here, it's a title actually. When you live this website, the title would be my first web page actually, and the first heading is this H1, which is this is my first web page, and after that I write this paragraph. Okay, after heading one there are some space like this, which I included as break. Okay, and the sixth line, which is this is my first web page, showing here. And after that the heading 2, which is like smaller in size from the heading 1, showing here. And after that a break, and I am currently pursuing BScs, etc., etc. And after heading 3, it's Abdul Basit as a web developer, and the paragraph. So that's how I first my first web page actually. You guys can check out the latest videos of mine and can go with me for the web development actually. So this was my first try. I don't know I will get views or not, but I would practice it. Okay, I am also documenting this on GitHub. You guys can check out on the GitHub, which is given mentioned in the comment section, in the description actually. So that's enough for today. Thank you guys.